Oi! Hello, hello, sheep, sheep, sheep. We're gonna have to refer to lassoing. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. If you're seeing this, that must mean I caught the sheep. You know, I had a pair of sheep I got just to eat some bush down in the land, and someone tried to steal them. So I got this satellite geotag that I'm gonna put on one, but I know they've been hanging out. I'm gonna have to use the drone to find them. Again, if you're seeing this, that means I found the sheep. Let's hope I caught the sheep. I don't know. I'm going there now. Just got back in the country yesterday. I'm supposed to be resting, but I'm gonna go in. It's 1 p.m. in the afternoon. They're probably gonna be bunkered down in the shade somewhere, so I don't expect them to be running around. I'm gonna go try to have a go at them. So let's see how it goes. You see, I have to come off road now. I just spoken to the guy who told me that the sheep was down at his place, so they were destroying his crops. So he decided to take his sheep and put it over where I had my sheep. So that solved the problem. It's a bit dry down here, you can see. Hopefully that sheep I just saw there is not one of mine. Yeah, but I had to clear this road a few weeks ago. Well, let's see. Ooh. Definitely part of the adventure. Welcome to farming life. Oh, I see them. I see them there. Small window. So you see, I have to set the drone off from on top of the car. Come on. Should have probably charged the battery, yeah? Anyway, you know I have the DJI Mini 3. So I'm out here by the car. I'm gonna put on my wellies. Let this thing scan real quick. I see some sheep in the land, but I want to sneak up on them to see where the mines are hiding before I go over there. I can hear a couple of them. Oh, it's already synced. No, it says I don't have any home point yet. Anyways, using modern technology to combat stolen sheep. I'm going to put a geotag on them, so I'll show you the geotag. I named the tag sheep, of course. I mean, I could have been creative. It's only 7. Come on. So I'm not getting what the minimum it takes to fly. But yeah, I saw some sheep there and goat. Worst case, if the drone is not calibrating to the location, I'll probably just have to. I know it's going to be there in a second. I'm going to have to just walk around in the bush and see if I see it. Come on. What's the matter? So my battery is low and I have to try to land this drone in such a tight area. Whew. Yep, but I got it started. Woo. Should have charged my batteries. Anyway, there's some sheep down in the back there somewhere, so I'm gonna go look for them. Woo. Right, let's go back and check this out. Little sheep, I'm not trying to catch you. See, they know it's me. They won't run as far. Yes! No! Almost. Almost. I don't want them getting too familiar with the river. How not to catch a sheep by yourself? This would probably do. This would give me some help. Right, so this is what I was going to use. I just use a stick. Let me put a set stick on this. I do it like that. You kind of slowly walk to the sheep. But if the sheep is onto you, hey, no trespassing on my coconut tree. Who put this sign there? That person real brave. That person real brave, boy. Anyways, let me try to catch one last attempt at this sheep, and then I got to come back another day. It's better to get them while they when they're resting a little because of the heat. You don't want to run up on them too much. Come on. Almost another time. All I have to do is be a bit patient. She's gonna come running across there. For sure she's gonna come running through there. Let's see. Let's see what she does. I think she's Go on, that's the one I want to catch. Don't go the next way. Come on. Success! Success! Come, baby girl. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. This is how it works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a temporary necklace with this hose so she doesn't kill herself. That should do. Then I'll thread the rope through it. So if everything goes good, well, the idea was to shove this through there. That's seeming like a lot to do now. So let me try using a stick. Shit. Oh boy, that was a bad idea pulling it out. This is how far we got. Sometimes the way is closed. Let me try this again. $2,000 long. So this one is the temporary. Where is that thing? This one is the temporary solution, yeah? Come on. Don't tell me I lost it. Oh, there it is. So I'm gonna put a geotag on this. Now I guess the bandit could cut through this yet. I know they could. Oh shit, run away. Yeah, you almost escaped. A bandit could cut through this if they're coming to steal the sheep. I'm gonna plot a whisk on her. But this is temporary. Temporary solution to a permanent issue. She's stressing a bit. Yeah. Let me see. Yeah, this is good. Come on, girl. You'll be alright. You could do with a shed, yeah? I know. Come on, let's go. Come on. Where's your sister? Meh, meh, meh! Sheep don't talk to me no more. Anyway, let me get over there. Alright, so this is temporary. Got to get a better rope for her. This is not a good rope for a sheep. See, we put an easy release knot. But I always double touch it around there. So I put an easy release knot. It's on the tree. You see? The rope have to come back here with me machine. Clear this shrubbery out. Come out in the sun. Nobody told you to stay there. It's a blue-black grass kit calling there. I left the grass like this. I used to have cattle here. I have to finish clear this up. I have time. Now you have all the food in the wall. Don't run away. I'll check the geotag in a second to see where she is. The other one will come over. I'm not worried. I'll come back with help and catch her maybe tomorrow, maybe the day after. Oi! There's a vine I have to cut to make this thing called whisk. Anyways, let me get out of here. Sheep problem fixed. Woo! A day in the life of a farmer. Let me turn the car and get out of here. Well, that took a few minutes. But anyway, the main sheep is caught. Gonna get the next one tomorrow. I'm not even worried. I have to change the rope. Might even get a small chain to train through that to chain through the hose with a padlock on it to keep our bandit. Bandit tearing is a thing that we have to deal with. Let me see if I could find this on the thing now. So you use the same Find My app. I use those geotags. Well, if I could find the app. That's the first thing. Find my app. Where is it? Okay then. That is taking longer than anyway. Let me know what you think. Oh, there it is. Where is my sheep? Huh? Okay, it hasn't updated as yet. You can see it there. Maybe I need to put on the Bluetooth. Anyways, if someone steal my sheep, I know where it is, because I have it on the map. Okay, don't know how accurate this is. Okay, you can find my device, but find my sheep. Find it. Jeez. Oh, I got to download maps. Cancel. Anyways, you get the gist of what I'm trying to do, although it doesn't work right now.